I'm going to demonstrate how to do the motif for the honeycomb stitch. You start with a multiple of 5 plus 1. I have 16 foundation single crochet stitches right here. So that's going to count as row 1, your foundation crochet chain. You can also do a chain and then a row of single crochet. I prefer to do it with the foundation single crochet chain. So for row 2, you're going to start with a chain 1, single crochet 2 in the first 2 stitches, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2 stitches, so skip 1, 2, then you're going to single crochet 3 starting in the 3rd stitch, 1, 2, 3, repeat that again, so chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2, single crochet 3 starting in that 3rd stitch, and I'm just doing a sample size here, but you'll repeat that chain 5, single crochet 3 all the way till the end of your piece until you have 4 stitches remaining. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. For those final 4, we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2, single crochet 2. So this is what a completed row 2 should look like. Going into row 3, we're going to turn our work, chain 1. Into that first stitch, we will single crochet 1. Then we're going to skip 1. So skip this very next stitch. And single crochet 5 in the chain space. So going around this chain, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to skip 1, single crochet 1 in that middle stitch, skip 1 again, single crochet 5 around this chain, and again skip 1, single crochet 1 in the middle stitch, skip 1 again, single crochet 5, skip 1, single crochet 1 in the final stitch. So that is a completed row 3. Row 4, turn our work, chain 5. That's going to count as a treble and a chain 2. So we'll skip 2, the first 2 stitches here, which are kind of hard to see, but we're going to skip these first 2. Single crochet 3, and these are, we're not going into the chain, we're going into the stitches that are around the chain. So skip to the first 2, single crochet 3 right on top of those stitches, chain 5, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and the top 3 stitches on this next arch we will single crochet 3 again, I've got a knot in my yarn, just a moment. So we single crochet 3, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet 3 in the top of the next arch, 1, 2, 3. You'll repeat that for the length of your piece. Chain 5, single crochet 3, skip 3, chain 5, single crochet 3 until the very end when you have 2 stitches remaining. Then we will chain 2, and in that very last stitch we'll skip 1, and in the very last stitch we'll do a treble. That will complete row 4. So that's what you should have so far. Row 5, we will chain 1, single crochet in the top of that treble stitch, and then 2 in this chain space here. Next we'll skip 1 and single crochet again in that middle stitch, skip 1, and then single crochet 5 around this chain, skip 1, single crochet 1 in the middle, skip 1, single crochet 5 around the chain, skip 1, single crochet 1 in the middle, and at the very end of your row we'll skip 1, single crochet 2 in the turning chain. Remember we said this counted as a treble plus a chain 2, so we're going to do 2 single crochets here, and then in that third chain we're going to place a single crochet. And that completes row 5. Sorry, I lost place for a second. Next, we'll go on to row 6, turn our work, chain 1, single crochet 2, so 1, 2, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the top of this arch we'll place 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 5, skip 3 stitches, single crochet 3 in the top of the next arch, chain 5, skip 2, skip 3, and at the end of the row we only have 2 stitches left, so we're just going to single crochet 2. That completes row 6 of the honeycomb stitch. So you can make this as long as you want. You're going to repeat rows 3, 4, 5, and 6 for the length of the garment. So the next row you'd start over at row 3 and just keep going from there. Just remember, whenever you are doing the stitches around the chain, so this row, starting row 3, that's the right side of my work, and the wrong side of your work is the even numbered rows. So that is the honeycomb stitch. I hope this helped. Can't wait to see what you make.